Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How do you feel today? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. And me too. All of you are welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Abir Hossain Khan, assistant teacher in mathematics at day shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today I'm gonna take a mathematics class for class 3. And our topic is division part 2, which is included the term of half yearly syllabus. And our lecture is 22 and HW 20 is the same as this class. HW 20 is the same as this class. Now my dear students, let's go to start our class. Now first one, 51 divide 53. In last class we have learned that this way 51 and 3, but today we will learn this way 51 divide 3. Today we learn this way, but this way and this way both are same and correct. Now 51 divide 3. Here 51 is dividend and 3 is divisor. Look my dear students, this is 2-digit dividend and single-digit divisor. For dividing this type of division, first of all you have to choose the first digit, that is 5. Now memorize the times table of 3. How many times 3 goes to 5? We know that 3 ones are 3, and you have to write 3 under this 5. You have to write 3 under this 5. Then subtract 3 from 5. How it will be? 3 from 5, it will be 2. And then bring down 1 here, then 2 and 1, it makes 21. Now again memorize the times table of 3. How many times 3 goes to 21? We know that 3 sevens are 21. Now subtract 21 from 21, there is no remainder. So you have to write 51 divide 3. Here is quotient. What is the quotient here? 17. And what is the remainder here? Remainder equal 0. Hope my dear student you understood this one. Now go to the next question. Here question B is 97 is dividend and 8 is divisor. Similarly here 97 is the 2-digit dividend and 8 is the single-digit divisor. So first of all you have to choose the first digit of the dividend, which is 9. Now how many times 8 goes to 9? We know that 8 ones are 8. Now subtract 8 from 9. What will be? It will be 1. Then bring down 7. How will be here? Bring down, after bringing here 1 and 7, it makes 17. How many times 8 goes to 17? We know that 8 twos are 16. Then subtract 16 from 17. 6 from 7, it is 1. So the answer is here quotient equal 12 and our remainder equal 1. Hope my dear student you understood this one. Now go to the next question. Here 851 and 4. 851 is dividend and 4 is divisor. Look my dear students, here 851 is the 3-digit dividend and divisor is single digit. Now first of all similarly you have to choose the first digit, which is 8. Now memorize the times tables of 4. How many times 4 goes to 8? We know that 4 twos are 8. Similarly you have to write under 8 this 8. Then subtract 8 from 8. What will be? There is no carry, that means we have to write here 0. Then bring down here 5. How many times 4 goes to 5? We know that 4 ones are 4. Now subtract 4 from 5. What will be here? 4 from 5, it will be 1. Again there is another digits, then bring it here, it will be 1 and 1, it means 11. Now how many times 4 goes to 11? We know that 4 twos are 8. Now subtract 8 from 11, 8 from 11, it will be 3. So the answer is quotient 212 and our remainder is 3. Hope my dear student you understood this one. Now number D, 6 and 264. Here 264 also 3-digit dividend and 6 is single digit dividend. First of all, similarly you have to choose the first digit 2, but look, here is a problem. 2 is smaller than 6. 2 is smaller than 6. Since 2 is smaller than 6, we can't divide 2 by 6. Then we will take the next digit. Then 2 and 6 it makes 26. 2 and 6 it makes 26. Now memorize the times table of 6. How many times 6 goes to 26? We know that 6 fours are 24. Now subtract here 4 from 6, it will be 2. 2 from 2, 0. Now again bring the 4 here. What will be here? 2 and 4, that means it will be 24. Then how many times 6 goes to 24? We know that 6 fours are 24. Then subtract it, there is no remainder. So the answer is quotient 44 and our remainder is 0. And go to the last one, 501 divide 7. We can arrange this way, 501 divide 7. Now look, here is the same problem. 5 is smaller than 7. Then you have to take the next digit and it makes 50. Now there are times table of 7s. 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49. Then subtract 49 from 50. 9 from 0, it will be 9 from 10, it will be 1. There is carry 1. 4 and 1, 5. 5 from 5, it is 0. Then bring this one here. What will be here? 11. How many times 7 goes to 11? We know that 7 ones are 7. Then subtract 7 from 11. What will be 7 from 11? It will be 4. So the answer is quotient 71 and our remainder is here 4. Hope my dear student you understand this division. Practice at your home more and more and do this as your homework. See you soon and till then, Allah Hafiz.